Multi-game cards from the 90s, let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the XXL multi-game cards from the 90s. We're going to talk about the 70-in-1. A little shout out to Multi-Card Collector because they sent me these cards to review, to check it out and show the Wicked family here on the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Alright, so we have two collections. Let's take a close look at the first one. Look more like a Popeye collection. Very curious. These big cards got this little button for resetting the system, so you don't have to on and off the switch every time. And this is the 1993 or something new game, 71. So we got two different cards, 70 games, and let's check it out. These are only working on the original Game Boy, so it's going to be old school, really old. Alright, so let's see what kind of games are on this multi-game card. I'm going to do a little bit zooming in so you can see the list a little bit better. No, so we don't have this reflection too much. Simpson Escape, Addams Family. And what I've noticed with these big cards is always having a lot of great games on it. Okay, is it me or... Oh no, I was thinking that it was Frozen. There is Mario Land. Oh, pretty cool. Are there any double games? Mario Land's over here. If you look at the games that are on it, very cool. A lot of familiar games, of course, because the multi-game cards have a lot of the same games. Okay, let's see. Let's test out WWF Superstars. I know there are some comments that people wanted to see more wrestling games. Oh, of course, I'm not choosing this one. Okay, we're going to choose it next. First try hook. Press the wrong button. Oh, what the hell version is this? Cool. I can remember this game. I played as a child a lot. Can we just start the game or what? I'm only getting this message. Yeah, I can still remember the soundtrack, but I've really no clue how to choose another stage. Nah, whatever. Bling bling! Alright, so I want to test the WWF game. Let's see. How can I start this game? Oh, this is more like how you browse. Oh, really annoying. Oh, that's really convenient. None of them are in English. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm Hulk Hogan. Oh yeah. This is really cool. Oh, he's just throwing me off. This is a really funny game. Okay, I just... Oh, need to go back. Oh, can I go back? Ah. So you must understand, back in the 90s, this was a really big deal. So, and when I'm realizing playing all of these games or these multi-cards, the big collections are always the best. I have reviewed some of them and I have a very huge lot here from the multi-card collector, and all of these big multi-cards are really cool. So if you're searching on the market and you've seen this thing laying around, just pick it up. I think it's really cool. And again, for a couple of euros, of course, or dollars, not for a lot of money. They're only compatible with the old Game Boys. I've noticed that I have some problems with, let's say, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance. They're giving the signal that it's saying it's seeing the car, but it's just a blank screen when getting to the selection screen. So that's a little bit of a bummer. Alright, so let's test out this Super 70-in-1 1993. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's see, what kind of games do we have on this one? Solomon. Alright, a lot of familiar games again. Castilian. You can see that there are some games that are coming back and back every multi-game card, so... Okay, we're going to draw. No. No! What? Oh, never mind. I want to play Othello. Okay. Okay, that looked pretty weird. But that was not the game I was expecting. Is it an Othello game? Oh yeah, different version. Wow, the sound is really annoying. Alright, so for the final conclusion, the 71. As you can already see, there are some games on both of these multi-game cards. I think from back in the day, you must think in the 90s you have all of these expensive games you need to buy, and you have this multi-game card that really contains 70 games. So that is a pretty big deal. Yeah, these are gigantic. It's oh, how they fit in this system. Oh my god, look at this. But yeah, if you can find one of these and you just want to buy it for fun and play some old games, I think they're pretty decent. So let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Wicked content and awesome videos. And if you like retro gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.